Hello, this is Millian. Today I will show you our two components TDI moca machine. This is our pouring head. It's our patented technology. And this is the A big tank and the B with moca metal. Here is the vacuum system and one pigment. Here is the special design for our customers. Here is the cleaning tank, vacuum tank, and one pigment. Now let's have a look at our moca components. Here is the special tank design for the moca. Here is the tank base heating with the pump protection filter. Okay, let's look at the back side. From here, this is our special design as you need. If you are interested in our machines, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.